I need a gangster to love me better than all the others do.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I've been gone for literally almost 2 years. I kind of explained why in the video, so you guys will understand. So today, I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my makeup, so I kind of winged it a little bit, but I did know I wanted to do a fall look. So I ended up using Anastasia's Soft Glam eyeshadow palette for this look, and I think it came out pretty good, if I may say so myself. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Also, make sure to like and subscribe. And follow me on my social medias, it'll be left in the description box down below. So to start this look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to be dipping into orange soda right here to do my transition shade. And I'm taking this on my Morphe R38 blending brush. And I'm just going to blend this into my crease. This is going to be fall AF. Okay. I'm going to take the same blending brush and go in with burnt orange, kind of the same areas that I just hit. Just keep it in the crease for the transition shade.
I was making sure it's focused.
Oh my god. You're like creeping up on me.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, actually yes I do. So next I'm going to be going into the color Sienna with my Morphe M441, and we're just going to be focusing this on the outer corners and a little into the crease, I think. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go back in with that same Morphe R38 brush. No additional product, just to kind of blend everything together so it don't look a hot mess.
No.
Stop yelling at the dog, dude. I'm trying to film. Oh my god.
Pick her up and show her on the camera.
Bambi, come here. Wait, come here. Oh. My child. Oh my gosh, she almost took out my mirror. So I'm gonna just go back into that sienna shade to darken it up just a bit, because I kind of blended the color away. So I'm just kind of getting the product on my brush and then packing it onto the lid and then blending it out so we get good amounts of pigment. Why is this eye playing in my life right now? I guess I should talk about why I haven't posted in so long. It's literally been almost 2 years, I think, since I posted a video. So, actually first, before I start talking, gonna be going in with, yeah, okay, we'll go with this one. With mulberry? I don't know, I'm probably saying this wrong. It's like a pretty burgundy color. And I'm gonna take it with my Luxie 231 small taper blending brush. And I'm gonna take it on the outer corners. Kind of where we just took that color, but not as much, if that makes sense. I don't know. But so right after I did my last video, I left for basic for the army, and so I was in training for a while, and then once I got to my duty station, it's been rough because I didn't have a camera, I didn't have a laptop, I couldn't really film with anything, and I didn't want to put like some shitty ass video recorded on my phone up on YouTube. So I waited until I could finally get a camera, and here we are. So yeah, that's my little catch up on my life, kind of. Oh fuck, I don't know what I'm doing. This is coming out decent. Oh, and I didn't put any additional product, I'm just kind of blending everything out so it doesn't look like shit. I cuss way too much. I feel like I'm cussing so much. I'm sorry, Grandma. I love you. She always likes to watch my videos. So next, for the lid color, I'm going to be going in with bronze. It's like this really pretty darkish gold. I'm actually just going to put it like in the center, and then kind of like an ombre effect going with a lighter gold. I'm going to use my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist to wet my brush so you could get a good shine. Make it pop. Actually, fuck it, I'm gonna put it on the whole lid because this is actually it looks a lot prettier than I thought. So I think this is like a kind of cut crease without like having to cut the crease with your like concealer. It's like a way to cheat it in a way. I would say so. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with my Luxie 231. No additional product on it, just to kind of blend in the shimmer with the matte, so it's not like a harsh line. And then I'm going to use my same, oh, I didn't even tell you guys what brush I was using. This is a Morphe M421, and that's the brush I used to apply that gold shade. And I'm actually going to use this one. It's called Fairy. It's like a lighter gold. It's really cute. And I'm just going to kind of do the same thing, but I'm just going to put it on the inner corner and kind of blend both those colors, the bronze and fairy. Okay, so next I'm going to be putting on my eyelashes. I'm just going to do that off camera just because y'all don't want to see me put on eyelashes because it's not pretty. So, but first I'm going to use my mascara. I think I'm going to use the Benefit They're Real mascara to prep my lashes for fake eyelashes. And I'm just going to curl them. you breathing so hard, dude?
No.
Dude, I can hear you breathing from here.
Can I not breathe now or what?
Huh?
Oh,
No,
fuck,
you
I hit.
can't.
You're good.
Baby, calm down.
Alright.
Calm down.
So now that I got my mascara on, I'm gonna just hop off the camera and put on my eyelashes. You can stop that. So I got my lashes on. These are the, oh my gosh, what are they called? I don't know what they're called. Oh, Cocoa Lashes in the style Goddess. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and start my foundation. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm gonna be mixing two. I'm gonna be using my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wearing Foundation. That's a handful, or a mouthful, handful, wow. I'm going to be taking my beauty blender to blend this all out. So next I'm going to be applying concealer to highlight and cover up these dark circles. And I'm going to be using my, oh my god, what brand is this? Oh my, it says literally right here, wow. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for that. And this concealer is like full coverage, so I'm not going to be using too much of it. I feel you guys all just staring at me. I look like I'm part of a tribe right now. Oh my god. And actually I'm going to be a little extra bougie and I'll use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer too because I feel like this looks a little too bright. Okay, so to set all of this powder that I just put on, or powder, wow. All this foundation and concealer on my face, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm going to use a clean beauty blender for the powder. Get all those creases out before you set them. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using just an e.l.f. powder brush. Okay, so next I'm going to be bronzing up my skin to bring it back to life. I'm going to be using Too Faced bronzer and my Real Techniques blush brush. And then I'm just going to be hitting the temples of my face, my forehead, my cheekbones, and underneath my jawline. So after that's done, I'm going to be contouring with my Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. Okay, if I could open it. And I'm going to be using this middle shade right there. And my Sephora Pro Contour 79 brush. So I'm going to clean up my contour using the same Laura Mercier powder and the beauty blender, just so we can get that sharp little cut. Okay, so I'm gonna let this bake on my face, and then I'm gonna do my bottom eyeshadow while we're waiting for that, and basically just be using the same steps that we use on top of our eyes for the bottom. So going in with the same brush that we used earlier with the orange soda and burnt orange, I'm gonna just mix these two colors together and apply this under the eye. Going back in with that Luxie brush, I'm going to be mixing sienna and mulberry together, and I'm applying this on the outer corners of the lash line. I'm not going all the way in. And then to highlight the inner corners, I'm going to use this color. It's called Glistening. Then I'm going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes. So I'm just going to dust away this bake that we have going on. And now your contour is sharp enough to cut a bitch. So next we're going to be going in with blush. I'm going to be using my MAC blush in the shade Warm Soul. And I'm just going to be using an angled brush to apply this. Okay, so now it's time for highlight, which is my personal favorite part, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Marizzi collection or collaboration, whatever, to highlight my face, and a Morphe M510. And of course we gotta spritz this brush. I'm gonna switch my brush to a Real Techniques accent brush so I can get a more precise little highlight on my nose and on the bridge of my nose. I'm also going to hit the top of my brow bone. So for my lips, I'm going to be using my Kat Von D lip liner and liquid lipstick, and they're both in the shade Bow and Arrow. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what look you want to see on my next video. I think I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, so stay tuned for that. Bye! I also forgot, I want to give a huge shout out to my friend Ian for letting me use his camera, for editing my videos, and making this whole setup look awesome. So if you guys want to check out his work, he's amazing. It will be left in the description box as well.